Hi, I'm Divyaa Advaani, an image consultant, etiquette, and a soft skills coach, and founder of the brand Suave. I'm also an author of the book called 101 Tips and Tricks to Enhance and Upgrade Yourself and Your Image, which is available on Amazon worldwide. I'll put the link in the description box below. On my channel, I discuss about various aspects of image consulting, image management, etiquette building, soft skills coaching, and a lot more. While working on yourself and figuring out your style, you may often get overwhelmed and confused as to what to do. When in such a situation, the easiest way is to look at the celebrities that you adore the most and you feel that your style sense matches with theirs. The least you have to do is to observe and look at what they wear at what time and to what occasions. While you're doing so, there might be a certain few things that you want to be mindful of while experimenting over the colors, the styles, different combinations, etc. You could also look out for accessories that could help you style your look, which could include rings, belts, wallet, watches, etc. In this process, do not lose hope. Rather, keep searching through your wardrobe if there are any more statement pieces that you could use to enhance your look and create your own style statement. For course enrollments and appointments, you can log on to my website www.divyaadvanistore.com. You could also subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to see detailed videos.